Good morning everybody. Dull and grey day in Kessingland today. It's Bonfire night in the UK where we celebrate Guy Fawkes trying to blow up Parliament. Oh, that's quite relevant today, I think. All the bikes are out. We're open 10 till 4 today. Don't forget, you can sell your bike on our website, but you can also reserve your bikes for Christmas and book a winter service. So today, what am I going to do? So my plan for today is to get all the work that's in the shop that's waiting to be done in here, because I need to process some wheels today, because there's tons out the back and I need to start working my way through them, otherwise I'm going to get inundated. So that's the plan. Make some space and crack on for the 6 hours I'm here, because it's usually a quieter day on Sunday. Oh, that bell. So that is my strategy for today, is to crack on doing those so that I can start sorting the bad wheels from the good wheels and then make a start on that. So that's my plan. First things first, coffee. Let's get into it. Okay, so the task today is to take wheels like this that have come off bikes, and we've got lots of them. Take the tyres off, take the inner tubes off, take the sprockets off if we can, and then grade the rims and the tyres ready for sale. And then I need to make a pile of all of the good wheels and the not good wheels, the not good tyres, blah 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 blah, so that we can put them on sale, and we can also clear some of our stock. So that's the plan for today, and it's not going to lie, it's a bit of a mission. So I'll put it on time lapse and you can watch. We got 5 sprockets, 3 quick releases, 3 of those wheels were unusable, a whole pile of tyres, 7 good wheels, and a bunch of inner tubes. So my next job is to get rid of the deads and find somewhere nice for the good stuff to live. So that's what I'm going to do. different that I'm going to do this afternoon. I'm just going to concentrate on cracking on through the wheels, processing those, and serving customers. So quite a short video today because Sunday is a shorter day and there's less time to process the video, so you see it tonight. Loads of wheels, loads of tyres, loads of tubes, loads of sprockets. That's basically what I'm going to be doing this afternoon, and then tidying up before I go home. We're not open tomorrow because we're not open on Mondays, because I have tried to open them 7 days a week, but I started twitching a little bit. It's been a good week, it's been a busy week, and we'll see you on Tuesday. Don't forget, like and subscribe. If there's any content you'd like to see, or stuff that I'm doing that you want to see, just drop it in the comments. And don't forget to check out www.CycleRecycleuk.com, and then you can see what we do, what we're about, and all that sort of stuff. So have a lovely weekend, or what's left of it, and we'll see you on Tuesday.